trumpets.
Direct your attention for your Waukegan High School Bulldog Marching Band and leadership for your halftime entertainment. This year, the Bulldog Marching Band halftime show is entitled Led Zeppelin. Led Zeppelin was formed in London in 1968, originally named the New Yardbirds. Led Zeppelin signed a deal with Atlantic Records that gave them considerable artistic freedom. Initially unpopular with the critics, they achieved significant commercial success with 8 studio albums over 10 years.
Wait.
The group was comprised of vocalist Robert, guitarist Jimmy Page, bassist and keyboardist John Paul Jones, and drummer John Bonham. With a heavy guitar-driven sound, they are cited as one of the forefathers of hard rock and heavy metal, although their style drew from a variety of influences, including blues and folk music.
Is it good?
Performance this season, we invite our audience to join
What did you say?
Celebrate one of the most legendary rock bands of all time, Led Zeppelin. This one includes Lapdog from the album Led Zeppelin. Song from the album Led Zeppelin. One of the greatest rock
What? No.
Stairway 7 from the album Led Zeppelin 4. 7 million.
Whatever.
Let's go.
Connect the racks. You guys, that's not straight at all. Not straight.
Good luck, Altos.
Drum majors Alejandro Lopez and Wes Smith, is your band ready? Ladies and gentlemen, times and tunes, we proudly present the 2023 edition of your Waukegan High School Bulldog Marching Band!
Best one! 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up! Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Let's hear one more time for your Bulldog marching band, especially the seniors as they lead the field one last time.
Yeah. What happened? You good?
Get all the ramp up!
Get it on. Go, go. Wait, don't hit the side, please. Yeah. Watch it, don't hit him, Woo! Bulldog! Oh! Ooh! No one saw that.
What, the performance or that?
No, that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. See? It's okay.
Bulldog!
Me dio pena. Okay.
Me dio vergüenza.
Vergüenza. Ay, perdón. Sorry. That was a decent show. Yeah.
Yeah, that was good.
Killed them. I should stop.
Nice show. Brent. Nice show. Oh yeah, you too.
Wait, the bells.
Oh yeah.
Do it.
Andre. Nice show.
Can't leave him hanging.
Jada. Nice job. Yeah. Fun. Nice job. Where's the